I thought I would do a quick unboxing video, rough and all, you guys. Okay, we're becoming like BFFs now through here, so accept me the way that I am. So I ordered Eden's Bodywork. They had a little sale going on. I think it was like buy 3 hair products. Their new almond marshmallow hairline for $20. So I was just like, why would I give up? Like, why wouldn't I take full advantage of this opportunity? So this is the box. I recently just opened it. So in the box what is a Eden Bodyworks split and repair mask. Yeah, I will be using this. See how it smells. It smells really, really good. It's almond marshmallow. And then it had a hydration serum. And I love the packaging. I am big on like gold and like cute neutral colors, and the packaging like completely sold me. So the hair serum says to apply on wet hair or dry hair, set or style as desired, repeat daily as needed. It also says that this product contains no mineral oils such as petroleum, dyes, and is cruelty free. I really don't care for that. I don't really follow the natural hair rules. I just go with what my hair thinks is best. This product smells so freaking good. And last but not least, therapy leave-in conditioner. And it came in like plastic bags, which is really, really good. These little Ziploc bags so that my products don't spill. Love that. Aw, my little cat broke. This stuff smells really, really good. Let's see how thick the leave-in conditioner is. Any day now. Oh, not thick at all. It smells so good. I'm just gonna put it in my hair. Alright, well, that is all for the unboxing little skit I had for you guys. I will use this product and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. So don't forget, thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend that Simply B is on YouTube, and go subscribe.